Buckle Walton. So a lot of you guys are going to be watching this video. You guys have that friend that you always do random, funny, stupid shit with, okay? I've been hanging out with my buddy right here the last couple days. We've been doing a lot of stupid, funny-ass shit. That makes us bust up laugh and we make a lot of memories. So right now I'm about to show you a video that we did this afternoon.
Talk did it to me.
Yeah. And I'm about to show you a video that me and him did this afternoon. There is, what was it called, a Nerf gun or something? Is that what it was called?
Yeah, I was trying to shoot the camera with the Nerf gun as close as I can.
He was trying to shoot my phone with a Nerf gun as close as he can, and we actually got it after like, what, 10, 15 tries?
Yeah, I was like
6 or 7, yeah.
Nice try.
Yeah. But, yeah, so I'm about to show you that video right now. I hope you guys enjoy it. And share it if you like it. If you have one of those friends that you always do random stupid shit with. If you do have one of those friends and you do enjoy this video, share it and tag them in it. And let's make this go viral. So, until next time, see you guys soon.
Marker and action. Oh! Take 2. Marker and action. Oh! Fuck!
Table again!
God damn it!
Damn it, we're gonna...
Take 3 and action.
Oh!
God damn it!
Just say, alright, we're hitting it.
Alright, and here we go. Higher, higher.
Oh!
Fuck! He got it! He got it! And go! Oh, fuck!
Reload.
Take 1. Hey, go. Oh! He got it on the screen, but he farted. Go. Oh! Way over the camera. Oh shit! It fucking hit the screen and bounced off. You doing? You'd be buying me a new phone.
Do it, I don't care!
Oh,
It
man.
fucking bounced off. Fucking bitch. Hurry up before it goes. Woo! Oh my God. Me too.
Angle it down a little bit. Another dollar.
Oh, right at the corner too. Look right here. Look right there.
I gotta go.
Me too.
Angle it down a little bit. Another dollar.
Oh, right at the corner too. Look right here. Look right there.
I gotta go.
Oh!
One. That's
Fuck
the
yeah.
one right there.
How you doing?
Hell yeah!
Yeah. Woo!
Oh!
I got my eye.